Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A51. Alright, let's begin. First, keep in mind that a hard reset will erase all data on your phone, including the screen lock. If your phone is locked, it won't let you power itself off by asking for the screen lock password. Simply press and hold the power and volume down buttons together until the screen turns off. As soon as the display goes black, immediately switch from volume down to volume up while continuing to hold the power button. When the Samsung logo appears, release both buttons to enter recovery mode. In recovery mode, the touchscreen won't work, so use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to select options. Scroll down to Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and press the power button. Then select Factory Data Reset and confirm again with the power button. The reset process will take a few moments. Make sure Reboot System Now is highlighted, then press the power button to restart your phone. The first boot after a factory reset may take a little longer than usual. Once the device restarts, you'll be taken to the Android setup screen where you can choose your language, sign in with your Google account if required, and set up your phone like new. So that's basically how you can hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A51. That's it for this video. Thanks!